Today we are going to discuss about basics of web designing. Okay, so first of all, web designing is quite complex and doubting. But with the development of internet and technology, web design overflow than ever before nowadays. Hence, becoming a web designer has become the main trend among young designers. Today, I will guide you about how to learn web design at home briefly. So first, you should know about what is web design. It is visual plus interaction equal to web design. It is core actually. Many young designers often misunderstand the concept of web design. Web design is about design, not about coding and front-end development. Of course, it would be great if you know some coding languages like HTML, CSS and Java, but you can't get yourself deep into front-end development. That's not core of web design. Web design is to solve the communication problems between users and web page information. So the next is web design skills young designers should master is master the basics rules of visual design. To learn the layout design, to learn the color principles, to master the basic knowledge of interaction design. Have to master the PS and other web UI mockup tool. Understand the basic coding languages HTML, CSS. Familiar with the company product and the user group. So at least master one of the front end coding edit software. I would like to recommend the Dreamweaver, and there is another software is bracket software. You can download it from Google it, brackets, and download that software. Know about the SEO. So then 5 elements of web design. There are 5 elements of web design. The first one is layout and the color and the graphics and that's font, like that's text now, font, and the last one is content. And how you learn web design at home? Okay, don't worry, I will tell you that. This one video can't include all information. So here I am going to introduce some learning website to guide you step and step. Web design learning books. Like you should learn HTML and CSS, design and build websites. So this is one book, I think so. Learning web design, a beginner's guide. So these are the books I am telling about. Don't Make Me Think. Yeah, this is also a book. A Common Sense Approach to Web Usability. Learning how to make web pages functional. This is also a book. Designing with Web Standards. Web design online learning courses. THRUGH, Lynda, Udemy. These are the platforms you can easily learn within 3 to 4 months. Actually, you should pay for them to learn in 3 to 4 months. That's really a big duration. I mean that is a long duration. The alternative way to learn web design through our videos. You can learn through our videos now. It's free for everyone. And the other ways are the web design blogs. Like I have one web designing blog which actually I was writing last month, I think so. Okay, go through the link which is provided in this video's description actually, and I will tell you about other designing blogs. Smashing Magazine, this is the one blog. This is a famous blog. Mock Plus blog, this is also a web designing blog. Web Designer Depot, this is the famous blog actually. So that's it. So next come to the another point, that is coding. So the websites are free to learn coding like HTML, CSS and Java. So first one is W3 Schools. This is the website to learn HTML and CSS and Java. To learn the basics coding languages, it includes HTML and CSS with simple language to teach you. So Google Code University, also a website to learn. You can learn any coding language from the Google Code University. Another coding learning website which is created by Google developer. This is the very cheap and easy way to learn coding from the Google Code University. So the last coding website is Code Avengers. I like this learning website because of it's just like a big adventure that allow you to participate in their coding challenge, program and bug hunting. So go through that. So next come to the approximately it will take to learn HTML and CSS 30 days to learn it. HTML and CSS, a beginner's guide to HTML and CSS. So it's very easy. Don't fear the internet. So this is a quote actually. There is no matter what position you are in, learning is the only way to achieve your goal. If you want to know about how to learn the web design at home, my videos are there. Anytime you can watch in your free times. Stop wasting your time on Facebook, Twitter, like social media. Don't make social media activities. So don't stop completely. You can use what I'm telling. So time is yours. Use it sharply. Once it will goes now,